If you're looking to keep her interested without putting in tons of effort, then you're in the right place. The key is in small, strategic actions that keep her engaged without making it seem like you're trying too hard. Today, we're going to cover 10 clever ways to hold her attention effortlessly. These techniques are subtle, powerful, and designed to work naturally. No chasing, no overthinking. Let's dive into exactly what you need to keep her intrigued. 1. Make her curious by doing the unexpected. Breaking patterns is the fastest way to capture attention. When you consistently break expected patterns, you create intense curiosity that's impossible to ignore. Think about how quickly you notice when something in your environment changes. It's the same principle. Most men text good morning every day, respond instantly to messages, and follow predictable dating scripts. High-value men understand that predictability kills attraction. By naturally mixing up your patterns, maybe disappearing for a day, then resurfacing with something intriguing, you become impossible to predict. This isn't about playing games. It's about being genuinely unpredictable because you have an interesting life. When you're authentically unexpected, you become naturally fascinating. She can't help but wonder what you'll do next. 2. Show a passion she didn't know about. Nothing is more magnetic than genuine enthusiasm. When you reveal a hidden passion or talent, you immediately become more dimensional and intriguing. This isn't about bragging. It's about letting her discover new layers to your personality. High-value men don't reveal everything at once. They understand the power of gradual discovery. Maybe she finds out you speak 3 languages, or that you're learning to play jazz piano. Each revelation makes her wonder what else she doesn't know about you. The key is authenticity. Don't fake interest to impress her. Instead, cultivate real passions and let them naturally come to light. Your genuine excitement will be contagious. 3. Create an air of mystery without being aloof. Mystery isn't about being cold or distant. It's about having depth that takes time to discover. When you hint at interesting aspects of your life without oversharing, you create natural intrigue. This is what separates high-value men from those who lay all their cards on the table immediately. Think about your favorite TV show. It keeps you watching because it reveals information strategically, not all at once. High-value men don't need to manufacture mystery because their lives are genuinely interesting. They're always experiencing new things, meeting new people, and pursuing goals. This creates natural conversation points that leave her wanting to know more. They understand that genuine mystery comes from having a life rich with experiences, not from intentionally withholding information. When she asks about their weekend, they might mention an interesting project or a unique experience, giving just enough detail to spark curiosity without telling the whole story. The key is balance. You're not trying to be secretive, you're simply living a life rich enough that there's always something new to discover. Let her gradually uncover the different facets of your world. This natural unfolding of your character and life experiences creates a much stronger connection than laying everything out at once. Women are naturally drawn to men who maintain this subtle air of mystery because it suggests there's always more to explore and discover. 4. Engage in playful competition. Competition triggers something primal in human nature. When you create playful challenges, you tap into natural drives that make interactions more exciting and memorable. A simple better challenge can transform ordinary moments into adventures. This isn't about being aggressive or overly competitive. It's about creating excitement and engagement through friendly rivalry. Whether it's challenging her to a cooking contest or betting who can make the other laugh first, these moments create lasting memories. High-value men understand that competition builds connection. Whether it's a casual game of pool or a friendly fitness challenge, competing together creates shared experiences and emotional investment. They know how to use competition to create excitement without making it feel threatening or serious. This playful dynamic keeps both people engaged and creates natural opportunities for teasing, banter, and physical proximity. It's about creating moments where you're both fully present and engaged, rather than just going through the motions of typical dating activities. The secret is keeping it light and fun. You're not trying to dominate or prove anything. You're creating opportunities for playful interaction and shared achievement. When you challenge her in ways that are enjoyable and engaging, you create a unique dynamic that sets you apart from other men. This isn't about winning or losing. It's about creating memorable experiences together through friendly competition. The best challenges are ones where both people can participate equally and enjoy the process, regardless of the outcome. 5. Use text to spark intrigue, not just conversation. Most men kill attraction through boring, predictable texts. They ask, "How was your day?" and wonder why they get one-word responses. Smart texts create curiosity and anticipation instead of just filling space. Look around at every guy texting the same boring questions, sending the same generic compliments, and getting nowhere. The real art of texting isn't about constant communication. It's about quality over quantity. When you master this, you'll notice her anticipation building with every message. High-value men treat texts like movie trailers. They hint at something interesting without giving everything away. A message like, "Just had the craziest experience at work. I'll tell you about it tomorrow," creates natural anticipation. They understand that texting isn't about having full conversations. It's about creating intrigue that leads to real-world interaction. This approach naturally makes her want to see you in person to hear the full story. Instead of trying to entertain her through the phone, they use texting strategically to maintain interest and build anticipation for the next meeting. The key is making each message feel like the beginning of something interesting, not just mindless chat. You're giving her a reason to want to engage, not just checking in. This means sometimes leaving conversations at their peak instead of dragging them out. It means knowing when to step back and let anticipation build. Most importantly, it means having enough going on in your life that you naturally have interesting things to share. When you master this art, you'll find her eagerly awaiting your next message instead of you waiting for her response. 6. Build a sense of shared secrets. Creating unique experiences and inside jokes builds a special connection that sets you apart from everyone else in her life. This isn't about actual secrets. It's about building moments and memories that only the two of you share. Think about those private jokes between best friends that no one else understands. That's the kind of connection you're aiming to create. It's about building a world that exists just between the two of you. High-value men naturally create these moments without forcing them. Maybe it's a funny observation about something that happened on your third date, or a quirky nickname that evolved from a shared experience. These little elements of your unique connection become like inside jokes that only you two understand. When you can reference these moments later, it instantly creates a feeling of intimacy and connection that others can't replicate. It's like having your own private language that only the two of you speak. The power of shared secrets lies in their exclusivity. These aren't things you're actively hiding from others. They're special moments that naturally develop between two people spending quality time together. When you can create and maintain these unique connections, you build a bond that's hard to break. It's about creating those you-had-to-be-there moments that become part of your shared story. This creates a deeper level of intimacy that goes beyond surface-level attraction. 7. Keep your schedule full and independent. Having a life that's bursting with purpose and direction is the most powerful form of attraction. It's not about pretending to be busy. It's about genuinely pursuing your goals and passions with such intensity that your time becomes naturally valuable. When you're focused on building your empire, hitting the gym, developing new skills, and maintaining strong friendships, you create a life that's inherently attractive. This natural scarcity makes your time truly precious. High-value men understand that their schedule isn't just about staying busy, it's about growing and achieving. They're not filling time with meaningless activities. They're pursuing goals that matter. When a woman sees that you have ambitious projects, regular workouts, social commitments, and personal development goals, she realizes that your time is genuinely valuable. This isn't about playing hard to get. It's about actually being hard to get because your life is full of meaningful pursuits. The most attractive thing about a busy schedule is that it shows you have a life outside of dating. You're not waiting around for her messages or rearranging your entire life to accommodate her. Your time becomes a precious commodity, and when you do make time for her, it feels special. This creates a natural dynamic where she wants to earn her place in your schedule, rather than expecting you to always be available. Remember, a man who can be reached at any time is often worth reaching at no time. 8. Let her lead the way sometimes. Contrary to popular belief, strong men aren't afraid to let women take initiative. There's a subtle art to giving her space to invest in the relationship. When you allow her to plan dates, make decisions, or take the lead in conversations, you create opportunities for her to prove her value to you. This isn't about being passive. It's about being confident enough to let her show her interest through actions. High-value men understand that true attraction is a two-way street. They know that when a woman actively participates in building the relationship, she becomes more invested in its success. By letting her plan that special dinner or choose the next date spot, you're giving her the chance to show her creativity and effort. This creates a deeper level of engagement because she feels like an active participant rather than just a passive recipient of your attention. This dynamic also helps you gauge her genuine interest. When you step back and create space for her to step forward, you quickly learn how much she's willing to invest. A woman who's truly interested will take these opportunities to impress you and add value to your life. This natural give and take creates a healthier, more balanced dynamic where both people feel valued and appreciated. It's not about testing her. It's about creating opportunities for genuine investment. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.